So the other day I did a call with our rebuild community. Those are the betrayers. Now you can imagine it takes a certain type of person to be even willing to do a program like that. They are taking full and complete responsibility. There's no shaming or blaming, but I'm not easy on them either. And there's a woman in the community, brand new, and she happened to be on the call, and she said, well, how do I know I'm not going to do it again? And here's the thing. I told her I was talking about non-negotiables, meaning nothing can break that. Nothing can interfere with that. And I was explaining how I remember writing a blog post so long ago, and it was about 100% being easier than 99%. And what I meant was, let's say you decide I don't want to have cookies anymore. It's just off the table. It's not an option. 100%. It's just, oh, that's cookie? Nope, not having it. Where 99% allows room for, well, it's my birthday, well, it's Tuesday, well, I want it, it's this special kind. And it actually is harder to do that than give it that 100% where it's just not an option anymore. So I was explaining to her that in order for her to learn how to trust herself again, learn how to become someone that she's proud of, she needs a non-negotiable. That doesn't mean that she's not supposed to do all the work around what led her to those decisions and rebuilding with her partner and all of that. But what it means is you don't allow the leeway of any opportunity, any experience, anything having you become someone who will betray again. And it was a lifetime of her not trusting herself because she never had a non-negotiable. So when it comes to rebuilding and rebuilding right, whether you're rebuilding yourself and moving along, rebuilding with a partner, sometimes you need those non-negotiables where something is 100% off the table. It's just not an option. So if that's something that can relate to you in whatever you're working towards, or if you're the betrayer and that can serve you, it's something that actually makes life easier and not harder. I hope that helps.